Hey, Snowflash here. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today's review, we're going to be doing a True Fruit Nature Strawberries Hyper Dry Fresh in White and Dark Chocolate. Gluten free. Yeah, that's a little snacky-o. Let's see. Nature Strawberries picked ripe, frozen, fresh captures natural ripeness. Hyper dried locks in flavor and nutrients. Immerse in white and dark chocolate. Okay, interesting. All right, for the whole pouch, it's 300 grams of calories. Let me see. Total fat, 18 grams. Cholesterol, 5 milligrams. Total sodium, 20 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 20 milligrams. Total 37, And sugars, 32 grams. And protein, 3 grams. It has vitamin D, 1.1 micrograms, calcium, 60 milligrams, iron, 3.5 milligrams, potassium, 200 milligrams. All right. Open it. Has a little notchy thing right here, if you guys can see it. Ooh, smells. Wow. Holy crap, this thing is huge. Look at that, sonny boy. That's a big boy. Crunchy. And that's organic. And the white chocolate with the dark chocolate and the strawberry mix all good together. Pretty cool. Get the little sourness. Honestly, that's pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. So I'm going to give this one a 7.3. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.